Well, hello. Here's a video. I'm going to show you a quick thing that I'm going to change about my worm bins. And as you can see, I use totes. And the thing about these, you're supposed to drill holes in one of the totes on the bottom so the drainage can flow to the bottom of into the next bin. But I am no longer going to be using two totes. I'm not going to drill holes on the bottoms of any more of my bins. Because if you're doing your worm farms right, you won't have to worry about the liquid leaking out from the bottom of your worm bins. And that also prevents worms from escaping through the bottom and not being able to migrate up back to the top of your worm farm. So on that note, the reason why you have so much liquid is because certain foods have a lot of water, such as watermelon, cantaloupe, a few leafy greens. But if you're a beginner, I would recommend and encourage you to have two totes, because that way it will allow you to see how much you're feeding your worms. But when you gain more experience, you won't have to use two totes. So that way you could just save your hard-earned money and have the second tote to split your worm bin when your worms multiply. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Here's a few other videos to learn more about worms. I just want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this, and you have a great day. Bye.